Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the 5 best Amazon kitchen gadgets this month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks, so let's start the video. Number 5. This OXO Good Grips Apple Corer is a sleek and efficient kitchen tool that enhances the apple coring experience. The silver and black color combination gives it a modern and appealing look that would complement any kitchen decor. The blade material of stainless steel ensures durability and sharpness for effortless coring. With dimensions of 8 inches in length and 1.25 inches in width, this apple corer is compact and easy to handle. The lightweight design, weighing only 0.1 kilograms, makes it comfortable to use for extended periods without causing hand fatigue. OXO's reputation for quality and innovation is evident in this product, as it delivers on both functionality.
Number 4. The Dwelza Kitchen. Olive oil dispenser for kitchen is a sleek and practical addition to any household. Made from high-quality stainless steel in silver and black colors, this dispenser exudes a modern and sophisticated look that will complement any kitchen decor. With a generous capacity of 1.1 pounds, this dispenser is perfect for storing various liquids such as oil, vinegar, and syrup. The durable stainless steel construction ensures that the dispenser is long-lasting and easy to clean. One of the standout features of this olive oil dispenser is its innovative design that allows for easy pouring and precise control over the amount dispensed. Whether you are drizzling oil over a salad or pouring syrup onto pancakes, this dispenser makes the process mess-free and efficient. Overall, the Dwelza Kitchen olive oil dispenser for kitchen is a versatile and stylish kitchen accessory that is sure to enhance your cooking experience. Its quality construction, functional design, and elegant.
Number 3. The NutriBullet Juicer. Centrifugal juicer machine by NutriBullet is a reliable addition to any kitchen looking to incorporate healthier habits into their routine. With its sleek design and gray and durable stainless steel finish, this juicer not only delivers on performance but looks stylish on any countertop. One standout feature of the NutriBullet Juicer is its dual speed control that allows users to juice a variety of fruits and vegetables with ease. Whether you prefer a slower speed for softer produce or a faster speed for harder ingredients, this machine offers flexibility to accommodate your juicing needs. Measuring at 11.02 inches in diameter, 10.47 inches in width, and 17.95 inches in height, this compact juicer is suitable for kitchens of all sizes without compromising on power. The dimensions make storage a breeze, fitting neatly into cabinets or on countertops without taking up excessive space. In terms of performance, the NutriBullet Juicer stands out for its efficient.
Number 2. The Brimma Fruit Infuser Water Bottle is a top-quality product that caters to individuals seeking a refreshing and healthy way to stay hydrated throughout the day. Crafted from premium Eastman Tritan material, this bottle exemplifies durability, ensuring long-lasting usage. The clear color adds a touch of elegance to its design, making it visually appealing for users of all ages. One of the standout features of the Brimma Fruit Infuser Water Bottle is its innovative fruit infuser, which allows users to enhance their water with natural flavors and nutrients. Whether you prefer a burst of citrus from lemons or the sweetness of berries, this bottle enables you to customize your hydration experience to suit your taste preferences. With a generous capacity of 2 pounds, this bottle is perfect for carrying an ample amount of infused water to keep you hydrated during workouts, hikes, or simply throughout your daily routine. The convenient size and design make it easy to carry in your bag.
Number 1. The Viver cheese cutter offers a well-designed solution for effortless slicing of cheese, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Crafted from durable aluminum, this cheese cutter boasts dimensions of 10.83 L into 4.92 W into 8.86 H, ensuring a sturdy and reliable tool for culinary tasks. The silver color gives it a sleek and modern look that fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. One standout feature of this cheese cutter is its grip handle, which provides a comfortable and secure hold during use. Additionally, the lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver, ideal for both professional chefs and home cooks alike. The stainless steel blade with a length of 1 centimeter ensures precision cutting for perfectly sliced cheese every time. Designed specifically for use with cheese, this product is a must-have tool for cheese enthusiasts and anyone who enjoys preparing delicious cheese platters or dishes. To maintain its performance and longevity, careful care and maintenance